The Vice Chancellor of the University of Calabar, Professor Florence Banko Obi, on behalf of the University Council, Senate, Management and students, cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 125th Inaugural Lecture. This scholarly event will explore the intriguing theme, "In Matters of the Heart, All Hearts Matter. Cardiac Dropsy on the Prowl, a wake-up call to keep the heart healthy." Please join us on June 26, 2024 at 3 p.m. prompt at the university's International Conference Center. The lecture will be delivered by distinguished Professor Victor OKON, ANSA, a renowned consultant cardiologist and professor of medicine in the Department of Internal Medicine, University of Calabar. This prestigious event will be honored by the presence of Professor Florence Banko Obi, the Vice Chancellor of the University of Calabar, as the chief host, alongside the University Registrar, Mr. Gabriel Ebwe, and a coterie of other eminent scholars. Mark your calendars and seize this opportunity to engage with this profound lecture that promises to elucidate critical issues of cardiac health. See you there.